My name is John Gilliland. I'm Dairy Operations Manager for MacArthur Farms in Okeechobee, Florida. We use Clarifly to control house flies, stable flies, and horn flies on our cattle, mainly in the young stock, in the heifers and dry cows. We've been using Clarifly for about a year now. I was introduced to the product by a friend of mine in Kentucky that had tried it and really liked it quite a bit, and he recommended it to me. We put the product in just on a limited basis just to see what kind of results we were getting, and within about 90 days we had just about everything on the product because of the results we've seen. One of the things we have to deal with quite a bit here with the flies is the mastitis in the young stock. And since we've started using this product on the younger animals, we just very seldom ever see an incidence of mastitis in these calves. It's almost non-existent. One of the biggest benefits is just the comfort of the animals not being pestered by flies. I mean, if I just have one fly on me, it just aggravates me to death. And we look out here and these cattle are out in the pasture and they're just calm, they're eating, they're not even having to worry about flies. That right there will increase their average daily gain. We've probably cut our labor doing fly control by at least 50%. And we've cut the other products that we use by more than 50%. So it's a real cost savings. We don't have to handle the cattle, especially here in the summertime when it's so hot, to bring them in and spray them or to put fly tags in them. They stay in their pens where they're comfortable, they have shade, water. The product comes in the feed and it controls the flies. Down the road, we're probably going to reduce some of the other things we do to control flies, but it's still a complete program. We still have to do all the other things. We have to control the breeding areas. We have to put out some fly bait. We have to do some fogging because there are flies that still seem to survive whatever you do. So it's a complete program. I wouldn't say that you could just rely on one product. The reason I really like using this product is because of the technical support I get from the company. They actually come and they test the feed that I get with the product in it, and they verify that it's in there. And that's very important to me because I like to know that I'm getting what I'm paying for. And if it's in there, it's working. Our success with Clarifly, I would say, is probably the best feed-through fly product I've ever seen.